What famous piece of literature does this remind you of?
That image of a skull reminds me of Hamlet. Do you enjoy Shakespeare's work?
Yes, I do. Can you tell me what this famous thought experiment might be and explain it to me in one sentence?
That looks like the ship of Theseus thought experiment. It questions whether an object that has had all of its components replaced remains fundamentally the same object.
Can you give me a creative poem about these objects?
A vibrant orb, a mind laid bare, time's silent passage fills the air. The fruit of thought, the sands that fall, what memories will it recall?
Cool. Can you explain this diagram to me in a couple sentences?
This appears to be a diagram depicting spectral lines from different elements. It is likely illustrating the characteristic frequencies of light emitted by those elements in a spectroscopic analysis.
Cool. Thanks, Gemini.